How's it going, young scholars? Mr. L, the math wizard, is here to talk about perimeter. In class, we've been talking about perimeter and area, so this video will focus on perimeter. What's this video going to focus on? Perimeter. Yes, it's going to focus on perimeter. Once again, what's it going to focus on? Perimeter. Good job. So, perimeter is the distance around a flat object, the distance around an entire flat object. A lot of times I say it's a distance, like if I was walking around an area of grass. While I walk around the grass, that is the perimeter. The perimeter is the length around the shape or an object. What is the perimeter? It's the length around a shape or an object. For example, I want you to take your two fingers, put them up like you're doing the peace sign. Now flip them over and set these on the edge of your desk. And I'd like you to walk very slowly around the edge of your desk with your walking fingers. So you're walking with your walking fingers very slowly around your desk. What you just walked around your desk, that is the perimeter. The perimeter is the length around an object or a shape. For example, this whiteboard. If I was to walk all the way around this whiteboard with my walking fingers, that would be the perimeter of the whiteboard. But for this example, we got right here a rectangle. And if I take my walking fingers and I walk around the rectangle, I just walked the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around an object on the outside. It's the length. It's the distance around an object. For example, if you wanted to, you could walk the perimeter of our school. Can't do it right now though because you're in class learning to be a math wizard. But the perimeter is the length around an object. So, since we know the perimeter is how far you go along. So if I was walking here, and I was walking along this, that's the perimeter. Let's imagine that this side is 5 inches, and this side is 5 inches, and this side is 7 inches, and this side is 7 inches. We would want to figure out, to find the perimeter, the distance around the shape, we would want to figure out how far is the miniature Mr. L, or we could say Fliguria, going to walk all the way around this. How many inches will he walk? Well, to figure it out, to figure perimeter out, it's easy. It's what? It's easy. All you do is add up the length of each side. Because after all, I'm going to have to walk that side. I'm going to have to walk that side. I'm going to have to walk that side. And I'm going to have to walk that side to get back to where I started. So in order to find the perimeter, all you have to do is add up each side. What do you have to do? Add up each side. I want to hear it louder. What do you have to do to find the perimeter? You have to add up each side. Very good. So let's do it. Let's imagine this guy, Fliguria, walks this length right here. How far has he walked? He's walked 5 inches. Then let's imagine he walks this way. And he's right here now. How far has he walked now? On just that side, 7 inches. Then let's imagine he walked this side. He walked what? 5 more. And let's imagine he walked this side. He walked another 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 7 is what? What's 17 plus 7? 24. So altogether, he walked 24 inches. The distance around this was 24 inches. That's how many inches. Now, if you're like me, when you like to use efficient strategies for figuring answers out to math problems, we go 5 plus 5 is what? 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Add those together. 0 plus 4 is 14. Is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 24 inches. Remember, use those strategies. You've been in math since kindergarten. Now you're in 5th grade. You know strategies, so use those when you're doing math problems. But yes, the perimeter is the distance around. So here, I would like you to now do this practice problem. You're going to have a rectangle right here. Let's imagine this side is 10 inches. This side is 10 inches. This side is 5 inches. This side is 5 inches. Figure out the perimeter of this rectangle. Ready, set, go! So, welcome back, young scholars. So, I know you figured the perimeter out of this. You went 10. If that side is 10, that side is 10. You did 10 plus 10, which gave you 20. Got rid of those because you know you already used those sides. Then you went plus 5, which gave you 25. Got rid of that side. Plus 5, which gave you 30. So the distance around perimeter, we usually use P for perimeter, is 30 inches. Good job on figuring that out. Remember, the formula for finding the perimeter of a shape is add all the sides. And we often see that where it looks like this. P equals S1 plus S2 plus S3, and it keeps going on. Sometimes there's 3 sides, sometimes there's 4, sometimes there's 5, sometimes there's 6, sometimes there's 7, 8, 9, 10. So it just keeps going on. These little numbers right here just depends how many sides there are. So to find the perimeter of an object, remember, you add all the sides up, and that's going to give you the total length around an object or shape. You guys got this. You rock. I believe in you. Orchard as rock.